Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Beacon in Multicraft. First, log into your Multicraft panel and select the specific Minecraft server you wish to configure. Next, navigate to the Files menu, then click on Config Files. From there, locate and open the Server Properties file. This is where we will make the necessary adjustments to enable your Beacon functionality. Once inside the Server Properties file, find the line that says Enable Beacon. You'll need to change its value from false to true to activate the beacon feature. If your server uses a non-standard port, you might also adjust the beacon port setting. After making these crucial changes, remember to save the file to apply your new configuration settings. For your beacon to be accessible, proper network configuration is essential. First, ensure your server's firewall allows incoming and outgoing traffic on the specific beacon port you've set. Additionally, you'll need to configure port forwarding on your router, directing external requests to your server's internal IP address and the beacon port. This step is vital for external players to connect. After completing all the configuration steps, it's time to test your beacon. Restart your Minecraft server to ensure all changes take effect. Then, attempt to connect to your server using the beacon's designated IP address and port. If you encounter any issues, carefully review your server logs for error messages related to beacon initialization. This will help pinpoint and resolve any problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.